Hello, everyone. My name is Alexander Wong. I am with Millennium Interstate Realty, and welcome to the first edition of the Real Estate Weekly. Today's edition is July 3rd. I just want to wish everyone actually a very happy 4th of July first. Hope you guys have a very blessed day tomorrow and relax and have fun. Light off fireworks with the family and do whatever you have to do. Today, we'll be going over new programs for first-time home buyers. Now, navigating the housing market has been a little bit tough with high mortgage rates and limited inventory, but the New Jersey Housing and Mortgage Finance Agency, or abbreviated the NJHMFA, is here to help you with several supported programs. First, now, if you've not owned a home yet in the past 3 years, you may qualify for the NJHMFA First Time Homebuyer Mortgage Program. That's a little bit of a tongue twister. It is designed to make your first home purchase more affordable. Now, if you need help with your down payment for a property, there is actually a down payment assistance program that pairs with the NJHMFA mortgage to offer competitive terms and give you significant savings when you purchase your first home. And there's also more. Now, the first generation homebuyer programs can offer up to $7,000 to help cover your down payment and the closing costs. Now, that is a great boost if you are the first in your family to purchase a home or if you've ever been in foster care in New Jersey. Now, these programs are designed to turn your homeownership dreams into a reality, helping you overcome those financial barriers. And for more details on these programs and how you might want to qualify, I'm going to be leaving my mortgage lender's information down below. You could shoot him a quick text or a quick phone call, and he's going to be more than happy to explain to you all the different programs available and how we can help serve you the best. Now, I just want to thank everybody for tuning in for this week's newsletter, and I hope we have a blessed day and a very happy Independence Day. I will see you guys next Wednesday.